bike for like 3 years, and it goes like really fast on the street, and every time I race with my friends, I beat them. This is the chain on my bike, and every time I pedal, see, look, the wheels move, and the chain moves it. And the handlebars, they help me steer, because like, if you don't steer, you're just gonna crash. I love my bike. I'm gonna go race my friends.
This is my 1999 Heritage Softail Custom Harley Davidson. Been riding for about 10 years now. These are custom exhaust pipes. This is the drive belt. These are the motorcycle's cylinder heads, and this is what provides the power. It's a lot of fun in the summertime when I go out with my friends. I love my Harley Davidson.
Geico. Insure the things you love most.